Welcome to the hub of innovation, where tech, gear, and must-haves collide. Get ready to immerse yourself in the latest tech wonders, gear that's built for adventure, and must-have essentials that elevate your lifestyle. We're here to unveil the best in tech, provide tips, and share our top picks. Join us on this journey of discovery and innovation. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the curve. The Yellowman 20,000 mAh portable outdoor solar charger is the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. With its solar-powered design, this power bank ensures you stay connected even in remote locations. Its 20,000 mAh capacity guarantees ample charging power for your devices, whether it's smartphones, tablets, or other gadgets. SwissTech 17-in-1 multi-tool is the ultimate solution for tackling a multitude of tasks in one compact gadget. This versatile tool combines 17 essential functions, making it an indispensable companion for various situations. From everyday fixes to unexpected emergencies, this multi-tool offers functionalities like screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, wire cutters, bottle openers, and more, all neatly packed into a pocket-sized device. Its durable construction ensures reliability and sturdiness when handling different tasks. The Garmin Instinct is the epitome of durability and functionality in an outdoor watch. Built to withstand rugged terrains and extreme conditions, this watch is your reliable companion for all adventures. Equipped with GPS's GLONASS and Galileo satellite systems, it provides accurate navigation, ensuring you never lose your way in the wild. Its 3-axis compass further enhances directional guidance, aiding exploration in any environment. But it doesn't stop at navigation. This watch cares for your health too. With built-in heart rate monitoring, it keeps track of your heart rate throughout the day, helping you optimize workouts and monitor your overall fitness. Crafted for the outdoors, the Garmin Instinct is designed to meet military standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance. Its rugged construction ensures durability, making it perfect for hikers, trail runners, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and resilient watch. The graphite variant adds a sleek touch to its robust features, making it not just a practical outdoor tool but a stylish accessory for everyday wear. The Garmin Instinct is more than just a watch, it's a partner that guides and empowers you on your outdoor pursuits. Introducing the Satellite HD Outdoor Wireless Speaker, your ultimate audio companion for outdoor adventures. This speaker redefines outdoor entertainment with its exceptional features and rugged design. Immerse yourself in high-definition sound while exploring the outdoors. Whether hiking, camping, or lounging by the pool, this speaker delivers crystal-clear audio, ensuring your music or podcasts sound exceptional. This speaker boasts an FM radio feature. The LifeStraw Personal is a revolutionary water filter that redefines clean water access for adventurers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Designed as a straw-like device, it allows you to drink directly from natural water sources, instantly turning contaminated water into safe and clean drinking water. Using advanced filtration technology, this compact and portable device effectively removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from water, providing you with safe hydration on the go. It's a game-changer for hikers, campers, and emergency preparedness kits, offering a reliable and life-saving solution in situations where clean water sources are scarce. The simplicity of the LifeStraw Personal makes it incredibly easy to use. Simply dip one end into a water source and sip from the other end, and the filter takes care of the rest, delivering safe drinking water instantly. Introducing the Herschel Supply Ultralight Daypack Trail, a versatile and functional backpack designed to elevate your outdoor experiences. Crafted by Herschel Supply, renowned for its quality and style, this daypack combines durability, functionality, and a sleek design. Built for the trail and beyond, this daypack is constructed with lightweight materials, ensuring comfort during extended wear while being sturdy enough to withstand rugged terrains. The thoughtful design includes multiple compartments and pockets, providing ample storage space for your essentials, whether it's hiking gear, water bottles, or tech gadgets. The ergonomic design with padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel ensures optimal comfort, even on long hikes or outdoor excursions. Additionally, the adjustable sternum strap adds stability and support, allowing you to carry your gear comfortably. The Herschel Ultralight Daypack Trail stands out for its minimalist yet stylish aesthetic, making it suitable for both outdoor adventures and everyday use. Its versatility, combined with Herschel's commitment to quality, makes this daypack a reliable companion for those seeking both functionality and fashion in their outdoor gear. Whether you're hitting the trails, exploring the city, or embarking on daily commutes, introducing the BioLite Camp Stove 2-wood stove and USB charger bundle, a revolutionary camping essential that redefines the outdoor cooking experience. This innovative stove not only cooks your meals but also harnesses energy to charge your devices, making it a game-changer for modern campers and adventurers. Using renewable biomass like twigs, pine cones, or wood pellets as fuel, the Camp Stove 2 generates a powerful, smokeless flame for cooking meals efficiently. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to carry, making it a perfect companion for camping trips, backpacking adventures, or emergency situations. What sets this stove apart is its integrated USB port that transforms heat into usable electricity. Charge your devices, from smartphones to LED lights, using the energy generated while you cook. This feature ensures you stay connected and powered up even in remote locations without access to electricity. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 bundle is not just about cooking, it's about sustainability and versatility. By utilizing renewable resources for fuel and harnessing energy for charging devices, it promotes eco-friendly camping while providing convenience and functionality. Plus, the bundle includes additional accessories for enhanced usability and convenience. Whether you're preparing meals in the great outdoors or ensuring you have a reliable power source for your devices, the BioLite Camp Stove 2-wood stove and USB charger bundle is your go-to solution for a seamless camping experience, combining cooking, charging, and sustainability in one compact package. Introducing the Kaito KA500 Emergency Radio, your ultimate lifeline in critical situations. This 5-way powered radio is a versatile and reliable device designed to keep you connected and informed during emergencies or outdoor adventures. Equipped with multiple power sources, including solar, dynamo crank, and wind-up options, this radio ensures continuous functionality even when traditional power sources are unavailable. Its capability to receive AM, FM, shortwave, and NOAA weather alerts keeps you updated with crucial information, ensuring you stay informed about weather conditions and emergency broadcasts. Introducing the powered Lucy Outdoor 2.0 inflatable solar light, an innovative and versatile lighting solution designed to illuminate your outdoor adventures. This solar-powered light combines functionality, portability, and sustainability, making it an essential companion for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Featuring an inflatable and collapsible design, the Lucy Outdoor 2.0 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. Simply inflate the light to activate it and deflate for compact storage when not in use. Its durability ensures it can withstand rugged conditions, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. Harnessing the power of the sun, the built-in solar panel charges the light during the day. The DJI Mini 2 is a compact and powerful drone designed to elevate aerial photography and videography to new heights. Despite its small size, this drone packs a punch with impressive features, making it a game-changer for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. With a weight of just under 250 grams, the Mini 2 falls into the ultra-lightweight category, making it easy to transport and exempt from certain regulations in some regions. Its foldable design allows for effortless portability, fitting into the smallest of spaces for on-the-go adventures. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 4K camera, the Mini 2 captures stunningly detailed videos at 4K/30 fps and sharp 12-megapixel photos. This drone boasts enhanced photo modes like panorama, enhancing the creative possibilities for capturing breathtaking landscapes and panoramic shots.